Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and a quick backup of any irreplaceable files. This protects you while repairs run. Once done, open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scano, then press Enter. You run System File Checker because it verifies Windows system files and replaces missing or corrupted files from the component store. Make sure to watch for immediate messages. If SFC finds issues, it will report repair actions, and you'll use that output for the next steps. If SFC couldn't fix everything, you move to DISM with the command dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This repairs the component store that SFC relies on. If DISM reports missing source files, mount a matching Windows 10 ISO or point to a mounted install. WIM using /source. Once DISM finishes, reboot and run sfc/scano again to let SFC replace any remaining corrupted items using the restored store. This two-step approach addresses deeper component corruption reliably. To finish, validate that missing files are restored and your apps launch properly. If problems persist, perform an in-place upgrade repair using the Windows 10 installer to preserve apps and settings. Make sure to save CBS. Log in DISM, log for diagnostics if you need help later. One troubleshooting tip: run chkdsk/f on your system drive to correct file system errors that can cause persistent corruption. If even that fails, consider restoring from a recent backup or clean install as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.